Hi guys, I have found this module of an air conditioner, AC cooling, is with a 3-phase 5-wire cable. It was laying down somewhere. I took him because I needed this 3-phase distribution terminations. Also needed those terminations for 3 phases with this cable because I will use it in some projects. Also found this transformer inside that was broken, but I will fix it because, as you can see here, let me zoom it for you, this wire is in perfect conditions. You can see this wire here, just a second. As you can see, this thin wire, just need to connect it into neutral, and this is the fuse leads that need to connect it into the phase. So the phase goes into this fuse and goes into the coil, and later it turns into this common wire that is going into neutral. So it was designed like that: 3 phases plus neutral and ground here. So phase neutral were connected in this transformer, but someone have harmed this device badly to take copper normal, because they always scrap copper. I don't like those guys which damage devices only to scrap some copper. Just they need to work, not just take copper. I hate those guys. And with that, I'm not promoting hate, but I'm promoting to live with this device for someone else to experiment with, because you damaged an air conditioner, you left this behind, but you took the great part that we can study together here in this video. One of you could be that guy, and we'll learn about that, and he can use it again, how to repair that device, or how to sell it after repairing. So be smart, guys. Don't just sell copper that you scrap from devices. Don't be a pain in the ass for us. Well guys, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys, stay safe. 3-phase is dangerous.